Hey YouTube, how are you? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today is Sunday and I do have a Dollar Tree haul. This is everything from my car and from my house, so I should be caught up. And I don't plan on going to the store anymore this week just because of everything that's going on at work. I am trying to self-quarantine due to the fact that I work with, COVID patients now. We have gotten some to our facility as of last week. So I decided this week I'm just going to quarantine and stay home. So I did have to pick up a couple things though. I'm really sorry, I'm really hot. So I don't know, I think my husband might have turned the air conditioner down, I'm not sure. So again, I'm gonna try not to say but again, I am really out of breath yesterday and today, so I don't know what's going on. But let's get started, guys. Wait, first let me say, first of all, you guys, I'm over 200 people. I can't even believe it. Like, I don't even know how I got over 200. So I do have a 50 and a 100 subscriber giveaway that I will be doing. Again, I did do a video yesterday on the Dollar Tree where I'm holding like, I believe it's a package of like an inflatable pizza. So if you comment under that on Thursday, I will be having one of my sons pick name and we will be doing the two giveaways, one for the 50 and one for the 100. And I will show you guys what's in that later. But yes, so I'm so excited. I can't even believe it. So anyways, like and subscribe if you like what you see, please. Also, leave a comment. I love reading the comments because I do learn from them. Again, I am new here. I feel like this camera, sorry guys, is really, I don't know, like I feel like you guys are looking at my ceiling. That might be better. Anyways, so let's go. And I didn't have mascara today, obviously. And again, I'm so exhausted and hot and everything else. I think it's like 108 in Arizona. Get out of here. Like, I don't even know. It's funny because I was like, oh, let me take all this stuff outside by my pool and I will do a haul at my pool. So here I go with all my bags. I walked out to the pool and I was like, oh no, it's been not even 30 seconds and I'm gonna die. So I hauled it all back in because there was no way that I was going to be doing a video out by my pool. I mean, I swear it's like 108 today. So there's no way that was happening. So anyways, let me get started. Again, like I said before. So I did find these right here, guys, and they are the sunflower placemats. So I found two of these. I really liked the colors. They're so pretty, but I'm not going to use them as placemats. I saw a thing that said if you get the two, like the double lined tablecloths, you can, why do I keep saying tablecloths? Placemats, you can just cut the edge right here and stuff it. And we have old pillows and stuff that we don't use. And then you just like either hot glue it or E6000 it or sew it, but I'm not sewing. So anyways, this right here, I'm going to make two pillows for outside by my pool. So I really like this color. It's really bright. So these are by Home Collection, 100% polyester. They are 12 inches by 18 inches. Again, I'm just gonna cut right here, stuff them, and they will be little throw pillows for my lounge chairs by my pool. So I'm very excited about that. I also they had so many shirts today and I really had to stop myself because I feel like if I keep continuing to buy, I'm probably gonna be homeless soon. So I was like, I'll just buy a couple. But this is a long sleeve gray XL and I'm about a medium normally, but I got this for me because I love oversized stuff. So I figured I could wear this like either at night around the house, or I could even wear this with a cute pair of shorts. I'm going to tie-dye it and probably put something on the front of it. I've been doing the vinyl lettering on the front and then you spray the bleach around it and then you take the vinyl off and then the picture of whatever, or the words or whatever, are bleached onto your shirt. So it's really cool. I'll show you guys. I've done a couple. They're not the greatest. I still need to learn. And again, that's why I'm getting the Dollar Tree shirts. But yeah, so this is a long sleeve. I looked for what was wrong on this one and I really didn't see it. There's usually a little arrow. I didn't see it. But again, I'm just going to be wearing it for whatever. This is an XL. Again, I'm a medium, but I just love oversized things. So I got that one for myself. This one right here, I believe is a medium, yes. And it says that the thing that's wrong with it is right up here somewhere. I don't see anything, guys, so whatever. But this one is the Beefy Hanes. I got this one for my 20-year-old son. I'm gonna put something on it for him. I'm just not sure what. he will be home from camping today with one of his brothers. So I will ask him what he wants on it. But again, it's just a medium shirt, and I'll put whatever he wants on it. And on this one, I'm also going to bleach and tie-dye. This is a 3XL, which is probably going to be huge on me, but I don't even care because I love, again, the oversized things. This is a long sleeve yellow one. You guys, at night, I don't know what it is. Our room gets so hot, but the rest of our house is so freezing cold. So when I'm walking around, I have to like layer it up to come into my kitchen or my living room or my dining room and then strip it off to go to the bedroom because it is so flipping hot in there. So anyways, I got this and I figured I could wear a tank top or something under it. And then when I'm walking around the house at night, I can use this and then just sleep in my tank top or whatever. So anyways, I got that. Let's move on. I honestly have no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing here, so I'm just gonna go with it. I did get, you guys, I found this puzzle. That is gorgeous. God bless the USA. And it says America, and it has the red truck with the fireworks. It's 500 pieces. Do I usually do puzzles? No. But could I leave this? No way. This is absolutely beautiful, you guys. I love this. And it is 18 by 25 inches by 11 inches. 18.25 inches by 11 inches. So I might do this and then put it up somewhere, Mod Podge it and put it up because this is beautiful, you guys. And it's by Crazy Art, but for $1, and that picture is gorgeous on there. So I did just get a normal, I do have these and they work really good. I haven't had really any problems with it, but for one of the bedrooms, between having a TV for the video games and having a TV for TV and having a TV for a printer and having a TV for my son, or TV, socket, whatever they are called, for my son's laptop, he doesn't have enough. So he has to unplug something and plug it in, So I just found this today, has the 3 outlets and it was $1. So I just figured I'd get this. It doesn't say, I guess it's by Intertech. Again, I just got it because he can stop having to unplug and plug everything in. So I'm gonna do, I have seen so many people doing the Yahtzee. It's like Yahtzee, but for the yard, obviously. So I bought the foam dice. You guys, I had to go to 3 different stores to try to find these foam dice. So apparently everyone has that idea or is doing something with these. Because again, I went to 3 different stores. They all had different things, but no one had these. The first one I went to only had 1 set. Then the next one I went to had none. And then the next one I went to was just loaded with them. So I should have started at that one. But anyway, so I got 2 sets of these. I'm going to paint them and then I'm going to put designs on them and put them in a bucket. And I'm going to print out the Yahtzee papers, the score sheets on this. I found this at the Dollar Tree and I didn't want like a plain old paper to put it on. I just wanted something with a little bit more decoration. So again, I just bought this. It is 24 sheets, computer paper, 8.5 inches by 11 inches. It's by Jot. 24 is gonna make, I bought enough for 2 games, 2 sets. So this will be plenty for 2 sets. And then I'm going to laminate it, take it to Staples or something and laminate it. And then we can reuse it. So that's perfect. I didn't tell it. So anyways, these have 2 of the foam dice, you guys, in each one. So, and they are in the toy section, but they work amazingly. And then, so I did see people that say that instead of painting these, that they are putting the balloons on top of them. So I did get a set of yellow balloons and a set of the blue balloons, just the normal everyday Dollar Tree balloons that they have. They're 12 inches. 15 latex balloons. Again, we have the blue and the yellow. I got them because I want to see, I've tried to paint these before and it takes a lot of paints to get through to cover it. So I just want to see if this is any better. And if it is, it's going to be so much easier. So I did get 2 of these because again, I'm doing 2 different sets and I want them to be 2 different colors. I did get the Mod Podge for my puzzle, and this is the gloss because I just feel like that would be really pretty in gloss. I do have the matte one here, but I really want that one to be glossy because it's beautiful. And it's just 2 fluid ounces of just the Mod Podge. Again, this is gloss. And then I did get 20 pieces of these reseal bags, and these are from the Crafter Square, and they are by Greenbrier. And the bags are 4 inches by 3 inches. I have been making little earrings, and so I just needed something to put them in. Yeah, do they have the thing on the top? Yes. Sorry, I just had to make sure. So I just got these to put my earrings in because right now I'm just kind of setting them in places, and I just wanted something to keep them more secure and so I don't lose them, because I will lose them. Let me put all this back in here because my dogs are here and they will think that this is for them. So I will do, let me see, let me do this bag. So you guys, first of all, I go to the Dollar Tree because I want a bargain, right? Because everything's $1. But then when you go, you find like the really good deals. So this is original potato chips. This was 50 cents, you guys. And it was 50 cents because, yes, it expires on July 8th, which is a while away, so I don't know. But they're gluten-free, and they're just regular home-style select potato chips, 0 grams of trans fat, and they are 0.5 ounces each, but there's 5 packs. So they're individually wrapped. So I got 5. There's not a whole lot in there, but again, I really want to try to either pre-portion things myself or buy them pre-portioned for my kids so that they don't just grab a whole bag and sit down. And even for me, if I grab a whole bag and sit down, I'll eat and eat and eat and then be like, oh my gosh, I just ate that whole bag. So anyways, I got these and there's 5 in here. And so I got these for 10 cents each because they were 50 cents. So I was very excited about that. I love these chips, you guys. Again, these were 50 cents also. And these expire on July 20th also. They have, their chips were all buy 2 for $1. And so I did not plan on making nachos this week, even though I hauled some chips earlier. We always have tortilla chips in our house, always. But now I'm going to have nachos sometimes this week because I do have quite a few of the tortilla chips. But again, this is 50 cents and these are good, you guys. We get these quite often. So they're the yellow round home style select. There is 8.5 ounces in here. Again, this was 50 cents. So again, I like to shop there because I'm a bargain hunter, but then on top of that, to get even a bigger bargain, that was awesome. So I did also get the purple grape Rockstar for $1. Been a long morning, guys, long morning. So I already drank it. It is 12 fluid ounces. It's the 0 sugar. These are really good. Not as good as that pina colada one yesterday, but again, that was $2. So I did actually, I guess, get 2 of these for 50 cents. So I got 10 bags for $1. I have a snack bowl kind of thing, a 2-tier tray. So I keep some on that. And then I also have like a drawer that I myself think is hidden, but I'm sure my kids know where it is, where once I realize like the 2-tier tray is getting a little bit empty, then I get into my little drawer. It's my like stockpile drawer, and then I'll put more out on the thing. So don't think that I just have all of these snacks and everything laying around my house. I don't, and I switch it up. So like some of the things I got today, I'll put out, but some of the things that I've gotten like last week, I won't put out yet because I just like to switch up the things. But again, for 50 cents, I could not let these go. And these are also July 8th. So that's a really good deal. Again, like I said, I am going to be doing nachos. So I got this jalapeno cheddar dip. There's 9 ounces. This is the home style select also. I will put this into a pan and I will put some hamburger meat or some chicken into it. And I will put a thing of the tomatoes and green chilies in it. And I'll put some taco seasoning into it. So it'll be, well, that's how we'll do our nachos. So, and then I like to set up a little nacho bar with more tomatoes, with sour cream, guacamole, all that stuff. But anyway, so yeah, I will use this and as the base of my nacho sauce. So let me keep looking because I know that I got, okay, let me just lean. I'm sorry, guys, because I knew that I had gotten another bag of something because they were 2 for $1. I'm sorry, my leg's going to sleep. Okay, this is what I got, guys. So this, you know, it just dawned on me. It was probably all the home style selects that were 2 for $1 because these are all home style select. So these are the old fashioned kettle cooked chips, 0 grams of trans fat. They are 5 ounces. I did debate, should I get another one of the 8.5 tortillas because that's a better value? But then I thought, no, I have quite a few of the tortilla chips at home and we don't have any of the barbecue here. So I got these. So anyway, and again, they were 50 cents, you guys. and these expire on July 21st. They will be gone. So with these, again, I will put them into my snack drawer where my kids can't see them. And then when I'm ready to put these out, I will put them into individual little Ziploc baggies and then put them onto my 2-tier tray. Again, so that my kids, they're already pre-portioned for them. So they don't just sit down. Or at night, like they'll get up and they'll go get the bag of chips. And when I go check on them in the morning, because I check on my kids every morning before I go to work, the bag will be sitting there open, half eaten. And so all the chips get stale. So I just would rather pre-portion them myself. So that's what I'm going to do with these once I put them out from my drawer. And I was going to show you guys one last thing, obviously. So this is the Ziploc baggies. So I do buy these, the sandwich Ziplocs, the cheap ones from Dollar Tree, for my pre-portioning of those. I buy like the Glad and the name brand for if I'm going to use it for my food in the fridge or the freezer, or if I'm going to send it with them somewhere, like if I'm packing their lunch for school or something. But if I'm just doing it for here at home, I do just use these because 45 for $1, the Sure Fresh, the sandwich bags, it's perfect. And then they're just gonna throw them away anyways. So okay. And then here, more of these. I got enough to make 2 sets. So there's 2 in each one. So I got 5 of these because that makes 10. Yeah. So I'll do the rest of this. We're at 16 minutes. I'll go to 20. More food. So Toasty Lance peanut butter crackers. So there is, let's see, I believe there's 4 in each one. Yes, 6 individual 4-packs. So again, I'll just break them up, put them in my snack drawer until I think that in my stash drawer, and then just so that they can mix up their different little snacks. Got this for me, guys, because I get this every time. I didn't get my peanut roll today. I've been trying to avoid the sweets as much, but guys, this is a staple. This is the Snyder's of Hanover name brand pretzel pieces, honey mustard and onion. You guys have got to try this. It is so good. So this is 3.5 ounces, and I leave this in my car all the time so that I can have a snack on my way to work or on my way home, or have a snack at work or whatever. These expire in October of 2020. Yeah, guys, my snacks that I buy for myself don't usually make it through the week. I don't eat a lot of these other snacks usually. I'll eat a little bit of them, but because I'm gone all day, I don't really snack a whole lot unless I bring it with me. Whereas my kids are home all day long, and so they're snacking because they're out playing basketball or whatever they're doing, so they're getting hungry. And I don't know, guys, like I can have Hot Pockets in the freezer. I can have stuff to make sandwiches. They're not doing any of that. I can even have it pretty much done, and all they have to do is put it in the microwave or something. Again, no, I just don't understand. So, because we don't have any food unless it's a snack. So, anyways, I got this honey mustard and onion. Oh my gosh, these are so good. I try to also pre-portion this for myself into 2 different bags, because if not, I will eat the whole bag in one sitting. And there is 3 servings in here for 140 calories. Yeah, that's a lot. So that is the end of this Dollar Tree haul, guys. We are at 18 minutes, and I will just push stop and then re-go and do my next one. And I just want to say thank you so much. I can't believe I'm at 200 in about a month. I think I've been on YouTube. So I just want to say thank you guys so much. And I hope everyone is having an amazing day. And I'm so glad that things are just a little bit kind of starting to calm down. I don't want to say going back to normal, but at least they're calming down a little bit. And I hope that everyone has an amazing rest of their Sunday and an amazing week. Bye, guys.